To factor binomials, trinomials, and polynomials. And to find and use greatest common factors among constants, variables, and expressions. For example, you could have something that looks like this. A squared plus A. And what we want to do is factor that as completely as possible. We want to find the highest term that goes into both terms. I can divide both terms by something that they both have in common. Before you do this problem, look off to the side and think, if I had 4 and 10, what's the highest number that comes out of both of them? The highest number that comes out of 4 and 10. 4 doesn't divide into 10 evenly. 2, yes. So if I wanted to take out a 2 from both of them, I would then go back and divide both by 2 to figure out what the factorization was. So if I factored out a 2 from 4 and 10, instead of it being 4 plus 10, it would be 2 plus 5, that quantity times 2. This is what I factored out of it. I could not factor out a 4 because 4 doesn't go into 10 evenly. And I couldn't factor out a 10 because 10 is too high for 4. You can't divide 10 into 4 without getting a decimal. We have to have something that comes out even. So over here with this problem, a squared plus a, the highest term that you can take out from a squared and a would be an a. You can't divide out a squared from a because a squared is larger than a. A appears in both of those terms. You have a to the first power, which isn't written, and then a squared. A is the highest one you can take out without going over the lowest term. So if I divide a squared by a, and then a by a, I have to simplify inside the parentheses. A squared divided by a, which we have tested over before, is a. And then a divided by itself is simply 1. Your final answer is a times the quantity, a plus 1. In this problem, you have c to the third plus c to the second. Think of the factors of c to the third. You can divide out a c squared, and a c to the third. For c squared, you can just divide out c and then c squared. What's the highest term in both of them? C squared. So if I take out a c squared, I need to divide both sides, or both terms there, by c squared. C to the third over c to the second is simply c. And c squared divided by itself is 1. C squared times the quantity, c plus 1, is the answer. In this problem, we have b to the fifth plus b to the third. The factors of b to the fifth, you could take out a b squared, a b to the third, b to the fourth, and b to the fifth. For b to the third, you could take out b squared, and b to the third. What's the highest that they both have in common? B to the third. And then divide both sides by b to the third. Now go back and simplify inside the parentheses. B to the fifth over b to the third is b to the second. And then b to the third divided by itself is just 1. So b to the third times the quantity, b squared plus 1. The solution here for the practice problem, b to the third is the highest that you can take out. So divide b to the third into these two terms and then simplify. You'll have b plus 1. So the final answer is here. The solution here for the practice problem, you can take out a to the third from both items. So divide both of those by a to the third and then go back and simplify. That would give you a to the fourth minus 1 on the inside. You can also do this with three items, such as a to the fourth plus a to the second minus a. You can factor out something from all three of those. The highest term you can take out from all three is a. So go back and divide all three of them by a, and then go back and simplify. A to the fourth over a is a to the third. A squared over a is a, and a divided by itself is 1. Make sure you get the signs right. They stay the same as they were in the problem if you're dividing by a positive term. The highest you can take out from each of these is a to the third. So we'll have a to the fifth divided by a to the third, and a to the fourth divided by a to the third, and a to the third divided by itself. Simplify that and come up with a to the second plus a plus 1 on the inside. In this problem, you have 4a to the third minus 10a. Concentrate on the numbers first. 4 and 10. What is the highest number that comes out of 4 and 10? 2. Then concentrate on the variables. What's the highest power of a we can take out? Yeah, just a. Now go back and divide everything on the inside here by 2a. So 4 over 2 is 2, and a to the third over a is a squared. 10 over 2 is 5. A over a is 1.